Hi, Ken with another tech tip. Today we're going to talk about the TEA file, which is a file that holds information about CT tubes and is required to be sent to Siemens when you do a tube exchange. All right, so to access our TEA file, again, we're going to have to get into the service software. So we're going to go up to Options, Service, and Local Service. And again, we'll need to put in our service key. And once we do that, we'll get our standard pop-up again for open service tasks. If we go to the control option, now this requires a level 5 or higher service key. Usually when you're doing a tube replacement, you'll be able to get a temporary level 7, so that shouldn't be a problem. We go to the table load modify option. And what that does is it brings us up to all of the tables that are available within our system. If we scroll up and down here, we see that they are alphanumerically arranged. We find our TEA file and we click on Go. And what that does is it brings that particular file up. Again, it is a scrollable file, so there's a lot of information here. We don't really need to know about the fields that are within it. Basically, we're just saving this file to forward back to Siemens for your tube exchange. So at this point, the easiest thing to do is actually click on Print. And what Print will do is it will write the file as a text file to that service extract option again that we spoke about in the last video. And I will show you how to get there right now to see this file. So we're going to cancel out of here and we're going to go back to our home service window. And now again, using our Windows key, we're going to go to the C drive. We're going to choose Siemens. We're going to choose Service. And lastly, we're going to choose Extract. And then here's that TEA file. And again, Siemens actually provides 3¼ floppy disks that you would write both of these files to, and then you would return them with your core exchange item in order to get full credit for your exchange tube. The other thing that's very important is completing the tube replacement document as well. So at this time, we would close this out. We can close out our service mode, and again, we're back at our desktop. For more information or tips like this, see the description.